LEXI. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, please subscribe. If you're not, what is up, guys? I'm going to show you my classes and my room that I got for distance learning. Hey guys, it's your girl LEXI. I am 16 years old with a syndrome called Danny Walker syndrome. I wanted to start this YouTube channel to show the world being different is incredible. Stay savage, don't be average. There is a cat tree, an elliptical for PE. My PE teacher would be so proud of me. And we got a TV. And we got a big book of exercises. Then we got a soccer ball. Then we got some weights here. A roller, some weights, a rope.
Let's see some exercises, Lex. Let's show Miss Nguyen what kind of exercises you're going to be doing for distance learning.
It's 5 pounds. A strong woman. And these are all my snacks. That's candy. And then these are like all the stress toys. No, this is one. This is like stress toys. I love my stress toys so much.
So because Lexi has ADHD, she fidgets a lot during school. So for distance learning, we have a whole box right here of like fidget toys, stress toys. We have sensory stuff, so stuff for her to bounce on. I'll turn off the lights and show you our sensory room that we'll do for some of her classes. Let's see what else you got in there.
Got like a worm. Ew. Like this is like sensory stuff.
Those are little fidget toys.
Fidget toys. Look if it is with these. And then your girl likes tattoos, so I got like a whole bunch of tattoos and like glue and like stuff.
Craft stuff. Well, tell them what class you got signed up for.
I got signed up for painting. And I got signed up for, what else?
Well, tell them your schedule.
Schedule is PE, painting, science, social studies.
And personal management.
Personal management.
She hates that really badly, guys.
And then right here, I have rock on glasses, sunglasses, so my TikToks. And then we got my heads. I have 3 heads.
And then we got my baby boy right there. Look at that handsome soul.
Yeah, we got Gritty right there. So I told my mom when my mom got that Gritty poster, I was like telling my mom, I want one of me. So on my birthday, she put one on the door, and then she surprised me with a bunch of presents and with a bunch of heads, and then I was like so excited. And
So show them these when you get fidgety during class for distance learning. What are we gonna sit on?
This is too small for me.
Let's see. I don't think it's too small for you. Maybe it is. The other one's bigger, I guess. Well, let's turn off the lights and show them the sensory.
Oh yeah.
So we have like stars and a space because she has a lot of sensory issues, so sometimes it's just nice to decompress. And I got a beanbag for her to do some work.
Yeah, and I got this birthday cake. I made this a Lego for my 16th birthday. I'm playing with my fidget toys right now. Look at how cool this is. Look. It changes colors too. Oh, I'm in love. This is my favorite fidget toy. And then this one's just like stringy and like favorite. And it's a lot squishy. And then this one's my favorite too. You just have to do this and then it lights up. And it like gets your brain motivated. Like from here I can never stop. I have to force myself to stop. And then this, you have to open it. Like feels so good on your arm. Like, oh my god. This is for your arm. Like it feels so good. I like to do it on the other arm too. It feels so good. And guess what, guys? We just hit 200 subscribers. Oh my god, I'm in love. Next one is this toy. Just watch it go. Just watch it go. Gosh, it's like so soothing to me. I like it so much. Oh my gosh, like, guys, look. Look at this. There's different colors in it too. Oh my god, I love it. Oh, it's done. And then last but not least is this thing. It's like Orbeez. It's from Amazon. I like it so much. This is my moon pod. This is my moon pod. This is my favorite thing to do. I just like staring at like stars. It reminds me of space. I love it so much. This is the last one. This is my favorite one. That's my favorite one. It's called a popsicle stick twister. I love it so much. It's my favorite. Gets my mind like motivated for like something. I love it so much. Alright guys, well, make sure you stay savage, don't be average, and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe, and turn on the bell notification if you want to see more videos like this. Make sure y'all stay savage, don't be average, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out!